the next topic, hydrocarbons, the second part of the chapter. And like I have written over there, hydrocarbons are compounds that are made up of hydrogen and carbon. When these two elements combine together and give you a series of compounds, then those are called hydrocarbons. Alright, now let's classify them. Hydrocarbons, like you can see, are classified into two basic categories, and these two basic categories are the saturated hydrocarbons and the unsaturated hydrocarbons. So the broad classification of hydrocarbons falls under these two categories. These are then further classified on the basis of the type of bond that is present in them. This is the further classification. Like you can see, saturated hydrocarbons are those that have a single bond. If it has a single bond, it is going to fall under the category of saturated hydrocarbon. If it has a double bond or a triple bond, then it is going to fall under the category of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So saturated and unsaturated are classified further depending upon the type of bond or the number of bonds that it has into a single bond, a double bond or a triple bond hydrocarbon. Now let's move on from here further. Just now we said that hydrocarbons, depending upon the type of bond, are of these three types: single, double and triple bonds. These have general names and these have general formulas, right? So now we are going to discuss the general name of these hydrocarbons as well as the general formulas. The single bonded hydrocarbons, they are known by the name of alkanes. Name of the single bond. If it has a double bond, it has a name alkene. That is a double bond one. And if it is a triple bond, it will be called alkyne. If it is a single bonded hydrocarbon, then the suffix used will be ane. If it is a double bond hydrocarbon, the suffix used will be ene. And if it is a triple bonded hydrocarbon, the suffix used will be yne. These are the general names. Now coming to the general formulas of these hydrocarbons. General formula of the three. First we have discussed the general name alkane, alkene, alkyne. Now coming to the general formula. For alkane it is CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula for alkanes. For alkenes it is CnH2n, and for alkynes it is CnH2n minus 2. These are the general formulas. Now let's quickly discuss what it means. C means carbon atom, H is hydrogen atom, alright, and N is number of carbon atom at both the places. Fine. So this is carbon atom. N over here means the number of carbon atom. This is hydrogen atom. N over here will be substituted by the same figure that we have for carbon here in all the formulas. So C with the number of atoms, H 2 multiplied by the number of carbon atoms plus 2. Same way, C with the number of atoms here, and hydrogen 2 multiplied by the carbon atom is going to give you the value of hydrogen atoms here. Alright, let's do it with an example. This much we have already done. Hydrocarbons, depending upon the type of bonds they have, can be classified into these three categories: alkane, alkene and alkynes. These are the general names of the hydrocarbons, and written below that is the general formula for the three types of the hydrocarbons. Now let's discuss it one by one. Alright, right now I told you C is for carbon, H is for hydrogen and N is for the number of carbon atoms. Alright, so we are going to now derive the formula of these three hydrocarbons. Coming to the first one, let's take over here, if we say n is equal to 2. Let's take this as an example. N is equal to 2. In such a case, see, this n will be substituted by this 2. Then h, 2 into n is 2 plus 2. Alright. So, the value of hydrogen becomes H, 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. So, this becomes the formula of the hydrocarbon alkane that we are going to make if it has 2 carbon atoms. Let's move on to alkenes and see. Again, N remains 2. We are taking as an example 2 carbon atoms. So, here it becomes C2 hydrogen 2 N, the value we have taken is 2. So, this becomes into 2. The value or the formula is going to become C2H, 2 2s are 4. Moving on to alkynes, N still remains 2 only. So, let's say C has 2 atoms. So, hydrogen is going to have 2 into 2 minus 2. This is going to give you the value of hydrogen. The formula becomes C2H, 2 2s are 4, minus 2 is going to become 2. This is the formula of the alkyne. Alright, this is if we have taken N equal to 2. Now let's take N equal to 5 and see what the formula would be. This is what we are taking now. If N is equal to 5, let's derive the formula of the 3 hydrocarbons. So for this it becomes C5, N की place पर हम 5 रखेंगे, H 2 multiplied by N which is 5 plus 2. So the formula becomes C5H, 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12. This becomes the formula. Moving on to alkenes. Again N is equal to 5. So this becomes C5H. 2 into N means 2 into 5. So your formula becomes C5H10. Right? For alkynes, Cn is 5. H 2 into N. N we know is 5. So this is going to be multiplied by 5 and then minus 2. So the formula is going to become C5H. 2 5s are 10 minus 2 is going to give you 8. This will be the formula for the alkynes. In short, if I tell you, then the hydrogen atoms for alkanes are going to be double plus 2 of the carbon atoms. Double of carbon atoms means 10 plus 2 means 12. Right? So for alkanes, hydrogen atoms will be double plus 2 of the carbon atoms. For alkenes, the hydrogen atom is just the double of the carbon atoms. 5 2s are 10. So if it has 5, the hydrogen atom becomes 10. And for alkynes, the number of hydrogen atoms will be double minus 2 of the carbon atoms. Double of carbon becomes 10, minus 2 becomes 8. Okay, one more time I am saying, hydrogen atoms in case of alkene are double plus 2. Hydrogen atom in case of alkene is double. Hydrogen atom in case of alkynes is double minus 2. Right? Let's quickly do an example orally. If I say C is 3, then H is going to be double plus 2. Double means 6 and plus 2 means 8. So the formula is going to become C3H8. Likewise, if I say C is 6, hydrogen has to be double. So hydrogen is going to become C6H12. Right? Here if I say C is equal to 4, then hydrogen is double minus 2. That means 8 minus 2 is going to give you 6. Fine. This way we can do it orally also. Hydrogen atoms double plus 2. Hydrogen atoms just the double. Hydrogen atoms double minus 2.